Hello everyone. In this video, let us take a look at Wireshark, basic overview in Kali Linux. So Wireshark is a powerful and widely used network protocol analyzer available in Kali Linux. It allows users to capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network in real time. And Wireshark provides detailed insights into network protocols, packet structures, and data flows, making it an essential tool for network troubleshooting, security analysis, and forensic investigations. The tool supports a wide range of protocols enabling users to filter, analyze, and dissect packets to identify potential users or suspicious activity. Wireshark's user-friendly interface includes various features such as customizable filters, color coding, and comprehensive packet information, allowing for in-depth examination of captured data. Through the customizable filters, you can set your packets into layers, or through color coding you can get a detailed information of that particular packet, and you can differentiate between many packets. But Wireshark is not, you cannot attack with Wireshark, but you can analyze network with Wireshark, you can monitor network, and you can investigate potential security breaches from the network analyzer and the packet tool. However, due to its availability to capture sensitive information, it should be used responsibly and ethically, especially on networks where privacy and confidentiality are paramount. Understanding the basic functions of Wireshark is crucial for anyone involved in network security and management. So once you understood what Wireshark is, turn on your Kali Linux and you need to start your man in the middle attack. Once you start your man in the middle attack, you can go ahead and I have just started man in the middle, but I need to add clients. So host list, and this is my client 1, add target 1, and this is my client 2. Even my Samsung phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, and few other devices are connected, but this is my target 2, and I just need to start the attack. Click on ARP poisoning and hit OK. Once the attack is started, you can then open Wireshark through your terminal, or you can just open it from top left corner. Type Wireshark. You'll always have Wireshark installed in Kali Linux. So once you open Wireshark, you will get this kind of graph here, which shows that there is some kind of user information, and from this you can just analyze all of the data packets. So you can take a look at the different network cards. You have ETH0 and WLAN 0, where there is some kind of graph going up and down, or you can take a look at the address and it says no capture filters. And let me just open up Google Chrome and search for YouTube. But when I start man in the middle attack, my network just does not work. Probably if you start attacking my phone, it might work. So it just loads a bit slowly. Let me open up Gmail. If you open up 2 tabs, it might be a bit slow, and let me go for my mail. So there will be a spike here, and you can double click or hit start capturing. So these are the different kinds of data you will capture. I know you're not understanding anything at all, and this is the time slot which you can see. So there's a lot of data which is going here, and once you start your man in the middle attack, your IP address is changed. Right here you can open up PowerShell and look at ARPA, so that your IP address will be changed to 6C and 29. Open up your terminal and type iwconfig wlan 0 or ifconfig wlan 0 00117f1b 6C29. You can take a look at that. We are in the middle of the router and the phone, so the router thinks we are the client, so we can take a look at all of the information and take a look at the time slot. Just type ARP here. You will get the different ARP requests and you will get the details. You can remove this and you can specify the particular IP. So yep, if you type in the details, or if you just search for HTTPS websites and log in into a website. I'm sorry, I think I just typed HTTPS. We just need to type HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, but it is not secure. Login page. Okay, let it load. Okay, when I start this attack, it just does not work. We have a page called VULN web. Such a weird name. So you just log in, and once you log in, you'll get all of the details right here in your Ethercap. So if you get the details, you can start using the details for your benefits. But we are ethical hackers, and we do not do anything for our benefit. We just need to do it for the testing purpose, to show the world or the clients that how unsafe it is to use the HTTP. But if some websites are HTTPS, you can do the SSL stripping and remove the HTTPS. So to check if you have HTTPS, you can take a look at the connection is secure. And for HTTP, the connection will not be secure. So you can take a look at the site data. So it says not secure. Yep, you can take a look at this. Your connection to the site is not secure. You should not enter any sensitive information on this site. For example, passwords, cookies, or credit cards, because it can be stolen by attackers. And we are the attacker. So it will be stolen here. It will be saved in Ethercap. And you can analyze all of the data with Wireshark. Take a look at the time, source, destination, protocol, length, and info. So let this website load. But if I start a MITM with my computer, it just does not work. I need to start a MITM attack on my phone. IP address. So this is a PHP site. Okay, let us give it a. Okay, finally the website loaded. Test Kali Linux. This might work or it may not work. Okay, let us just Kali Linux. Okay, there we go. Hit login and let us check if we got. Please use the name sign up. Okay, or let us just sign up with the test. Okay, it says test 1. Okay, I think we got an error, or it's trying to log in. I'll click on never. MAE we have. I think it should be captured here, or it has to be captured on your Linux mission, on your Wireshark. Or protocol detect. Okay, it will be captured right here in your Ethercap. So you should never use the sites which are not secure, and make sure you have HTTPS enabled. And sometimes the hackers will try to strip your HTTPS with the SSL stripping, with the man in the middle attack. So make sure that you're always logged into secure sites, so that you don't just give away your data to the hackers. So I think you just got a basic overview about Ethercap and Wireshark, and I'll see you in the next video.